In a world where copyrights reign supreme, there exists a powerful force, a force known as fair use. Fair use is the gateway to lawful use of copyrighted material. It's a ray of hope for those seeking to criticize, review, research, report, or teach. Stay tuned to learn more about this principle. Welcome back to the Jurist Prudence channel, the place for summarized case laws, legal definitions, and procedures. I am here to make your legal learning experience entertaining and enlightening. Today, we're looking into the concept of fair use in the field of intellectual property. In South Africa, fair use is primarily governed by Section 12 of the Copyright Act, Number 98 of 1978, which outlines the specific circumstances where the use of copyrighted material is considered fair. The fair dealing provisions in Section 12 specify the following purposes for which reproduction is permitted. Persons are allowed to reproduce copyrighted material for the purpose of conducting research or for their personal study needs. But remember, it's all about being fair and reasonable. Don't go quoting the entire legal library. That's just asking for trouble. Dealing permits the reproduction of copyrighted material for personal or private use, as long as it is not for commercial purposes. No making 1,000 copies and selling them on the streets. That's a one-way ticket to a copyright infringement lawsuit. Fair dealing allows the reproduction of copyrighted material for the purpose of criticism or review. This includes quoting from the original work to provide analysis, commentary, or evaluation. Fair use allows you to quote from books, films, or artworks to share your thoughts, opinions, and perhaps a few hilarious jabs. But remember, don't go overboard with the copying. A fair portion is the name of the game. Reporting current events. Reproduction of copyrighted material is permitted when reporting on current events in newspapers, broadcasts, or other forms of media. This allows journalists and news organizations to include relevant information in their reporting. Judicial proceedings or a report of judicial proceedings. Fair dealing allows for the reproduction of copyrighted material in the context of judicial proceedings or reports on those proceedings. This includes court documents, judgments, or legal opinions. It's the legal version of name dropping. Fair dealing permits the use of quotations from copyrighted works, as long as the portion used is fair and reasonable in relation to the purpose of the use. The quotation should not constitute the entirety or the core of the copyrighted work. Quoting is like a spice that adds flavor to your own creative endeavors. Just don't take the whole dish and call it your own. So, there you have it. Fair use in South Africa is like a law that allows you to use copyrighted material for educational purposes, criticism, reporting, judicial proceedings, and quotations. Just remember to use it responsibly, be fair, and not go overboard with copying. And that's a wrap for today's legal adventure. We hope you had a laugh and learned a thing or two about fair use. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the Jurist Prudence family. And let us know in the comments below what legal topics you'd like us to tackle next. We're here to make law fun and engaging for everyone. Otherwise, this is the Jurist Prudence channel. Forever your law buddy. Until God do us apart.